Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to talk about system instructions and why they are so useful. So let's start. What are exactly a system instruction? Because system instructions are a set of meta instructions that define how the model behaves throughout the entire session, and it's important that they are not just normal message, because they are a foundation the whole conversation is built on, especially when the session is long or complex. And we can move on to the comparison of them, and it's very easy to understand that the standard prompt is just a temporary instruction, and system instruction is something what we call overriding instructions, and this is a rule that is valid from the beginning to the end of the entire session, as I said before. And the next one, the next important thing is a difference in storage, because standard prompt goes to the content section, and the system instructions are stored in the configuration, because, for example, as you can see, the system instruction parameter is stored inside something what we call GenerateContentConfig. We will see that in the example in Python that I will show in a minute. And how to save role that lasts the whole session. The best way that is used in the professional AI workflows is using the API. And what are the best practices for creating system instructions? There are, I listed three most important. It's the first one is the precision and conciseness. Because with Geni models you don't need long or complicated instructions. Like with older models, short and clear instructions works the best. The second one are clear definitions, because you need to clearly define the role, limitations and output format of our model. And the last one is positioning, because the critical rules such as zone data format always should be at the beginning of the prompt or in the system instructions. And the next one is very important thing, because we need to avoid storing sensitive information in the system instructions such as passwords, API keys and personal data, because we need to remember that system instructions are still part of the overall prompt, which means that they can be easily reconfigured or even exposed throughout the jailbreak style attacks. And you can see that it's, as I said, they might be captured. For that reason, you should never include system instructions, your personal data in the system instructions. And now we can move as usual to Google AI Studio, and I will show you how to add system instruction to our model in two ways. Because the first way is the normal chat, because we will move to the playground, we will choose our model, and now we can ask him a question, because we can ask him, for example, how many people are there in the world. He will answer that like in a normal way, because I didn't put any system instructions. As you can see, we used only 10 tokens on that prompt. As you can see, he gives us a normal answer with sources, and it's pretty long, but we can, of course, add system instructions. How to do that? We will create our new model, our new session, and here we have a system instruction button. We can open that, and here we can write our system instructions. For example, answer as short as it is possible, and we can save that. And we can ask the same question, how many people are there in the world. And as you can see, I made a mistake, but it shouldn't be a problem. He started thinking, and his answer is basically 8.2 billion, so it is as short as possible. So as you can see, it works, and you can write anything you want in that section. And now we can move on to the Python example. As usual, as we will create the API key, we have to press on create API key. We can name it test. We have to choose our project. If you don't have the project, you have to create that. And it's important to don't publish your API key because it might have to stay private. It's very important, but for my case it doesn't matter. I will remove that API key after the video, and it's made only for tests. We can move to our example, and as you can see, I have 3 examples of the system instructions. The first one, maybe I will first tell about this library. You have to install it in order to use the Geni library, and without this install it won't work basically. And right now we have to paste our API key as in the last video, and here we have like the normal chat without any system instructions, so we can run that, and as you can see it's basically the same as here because we didn't ask him to do anything in our system instructions section. We have to wait a bit. It takes some time, but it's fine. And as you can see, the current world population is estimated to be over 8 billion people. And it's basically the same right now. Right here he wrote us it's 8.2 billion. And right now we have, as I said before, the section GenerateContentConfig, because system instructions are stored in that, and we have to paste our API key. And of course, in this case, it's important to import the types because we are using types here, and we are asking him, you are an expert in geography and statistics, your answer must be short, to the point, and preferably a single word. So we will ask him that. It's the same question, of course, how many people live in the world, and I have the answer 8.1 billion. It's basically the same answer as we had in the chat that we created, the second one chat, but it's almost the same. 8.1 billion, 8.2 billion, it's almost the same. And the last example, I have pretty much the code looks like the same, but your answer must be as long as possible. So we will see, because here we have a very short answer, here we have like a medium one, and right here we will have a very long answer. We will see how it looks like. As you can see, it's very long. It has like 7 points. We can read that if you are interested, but the most important thing is that he wrote that it's 8.1 billion people, and that's how the system instruction basically works. That's all in this video. If you liked it, please subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and I hope to see you in the next one.